Hey guys. Back again with the higher 5,200 BTUs. Does it still click? Because I know it's a little... Okay. We're gonna put it on low. Maybe look at the plug. Ugh, stupid thing. Here's the... This I have an older G. This is Christian Lindbergh has this exact unit, but my plug is more different. This is the test button. And then... Just how to turn it back on. Temperature gun, what's it in here? Oh, it's cold in here. Start on a fan first. Low fan. Give me a little fan motor. Yeah, so we have a fan. So what's it blowing? That's gotta be higher than that. Hold on. There, louvers. 61. High fan. It's gotta be, like, what is it in here? It's like 58, but down there's 58. Like around 50. Alright. Okay. We're gonna kick on the compressor. Retro Precision 3, 2, 1. Oh, super boost. Alright, hold on. Let me turn it off just 1 second. Let me move the air conditioner out a little bit. There we go. I still have my Carrier International, but no, I don't have it with me. It's doing that same exact thing with the problem. I don't know why. Alright. I might have to get a new fan motor for this. Alright, Retro Precision rotary compressor. This is also on a Maytag too. 3, 2, 1. See what we're blowing. We got 53, 52. Take the front off. I know it's supposed to be, it's taped currently because whenever you do this, yeah, tape is holding it. This won't go in. Currently the tape is holding it. So we got coal. Put it on high cool. Install the fan. Hit the compressor. Why is that a fan problem? Here's the compressor. Getting like 49, 48. Alright, we're gonna shut it off. Back to low, because I like to keep it on low. What we're getting on the grill. 657, about that ice over there. Yeah, that's cold. Oh yeah, put it this way. It's gonna blow up cold air. Wow. Oh my god, that is so cold. Back here, we got 74, so this indeed still works. Alright, turn it off. We're gonna do a little quick fan test. Yeah. Whoops. What the hell is that fan motor? You put it on high, it doesn't do it. Yeah, it's a little cold on fans, so it'll get down. We'll do a little one compressor startup and then we'll end the video here. 3, 2, 1. There we go. $41, $38. It's the coils. I have to clean this up if I want to use it. I'm gonna use my Gold Star 6500 this year. Well, not my GE 5150 because that thing's nasty and I have to clean it up. Ow! My god, that thing's... Right, it's on low, put it on high. Jesus, this is freaking cold. We're at the laser. High. What about the coil? 23, 32, 43. Put the louver straight. Wow, cold. I'm gonna put it back. Alright, shut it off. Got this one also on Facebook Marketplace, like the Carrier International. Carrier I'm not going to use, that thing's too big. That thing's huge. What is that fan motor? Dude, like I can't, there's no way I could fix that or something. Damn, that's loud. Alright, end the video here.